Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to your Fitness. Today we're going to go over diagonal knees. Sometimes people call them the slapping knees. Personally, they're not my favorite knees, but they're a pretty cool transitionary move and it can lead into a very devastating knee. Usually the slapping knee is done when you are hip to hip with your partner. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing the slapping knee when I have space to do my linear ones, when I can go around, okay? You're usually, when you're clinching, to make sure you don't get kneed and you have a strong base of support to grapple, you actually go hip to hip with your partner. Now, when I'm hip to hip, I don't have space for my straight knees anymore. So what we end up doing is coming around and slapping the inside of the thigh at our partner when you're practicing. In execution, it's going to be the bony part of your femur right here. So we're in nice and close, my hips are close, and I'm going to come around and slap. I come around and I'm going to slap. All right, this is very, very nice when you're doing it with a partner. If you got a bag, you can go with the bone a little bit more, like so. It's like that. Now, these knees, the reason they're not my favorites, they don't deal a lot of damage, and you get into a situation where it's really easy to get swept. Because we're both hip to hip, he has a strong base too. When I go on one leg, it's very easy for him to sweep one leg out from under me, particularly the one that's standing. The nice way to use the slapping knee is to set it up for something big. So when I'm in the clinch and I'm throwing to slap me, I'm just getting my opponent to almost like relax a little bit and go, oh, these aren't going to hurt. I'm going to slap. When I put this foot down, I'm going to come around at a slight angle where my left hip is still close, but my right hip now has space to go around to hit him. So we're here. I slap, and notice I just subtly create this angle. Now when I'm out here, instead of slapping with my knee, I'm going to bring my knee all the way through, and I'm going to slice like so, like you're throwing a body hook, okay? So we're here, slap, cut the angle, ha! And notice how I drive everything in super hard on this one. Make it really big so you score big on the judge's scorecard too. So you go light, you won't score a lot. You go big, really big. That's going to wow the judges, make a big noise, when you land too, and the crowd will usually get up their seat, and that's going to help you score really, really big in competition. Thank you all so much for watching. See you next time.